Hi, here we are going to see how we can install Ubuntu from Microsoft Store. So here first we can enable the developers mode. So first here I'm using Windows 10 OS. So here you will be having the settings option. From the settings option you can move on to updates and security. So here you have to enable this for developer. For developer you have to enable this mode, developer mode. Okay, right. So now after as we are going to install some other softwares other than Windows, we are enabling this mode. Now you can move on to the Microsoft Store. Microsoft Store. In Microsoft Store you have to search for Ubuntu. Okay, so these are the free options available. I have installed this Ubuntu, right? So you can easily install. So as it is a Windows application, it can be easily installed. So meanwhile, it is have to install Xming server for Windows. So here you have to search for Xming. So you have to install this. This enables you to have the pop-up options. So from Ubuntu you can access the editor and so on, GUI based environment. So here so you can install this, you can download this and it can be easily installed, right? So after installation of Ubuntu and Xming, you can easily access this Ubuntu environment from here. You can access this app. For first time you have to enter your username and password. That's it. The rest is going to be a simple sequence of steps. Whenever you are opening up this Ubuntu environment, you have to launch the Xming server. You have to launch this Xming server. So it is launched, it is here, right? Before proceeding further, give this instruction sudo apt-get update. So it will update your Ubuntu. After updating your Ubuntu, you can start proceeding with the working of any of your commands. So whenever a command is not installed, it will automatically prompt you with the instruction to be given to install those commands. Right. So for example, initially you will not be able to proceed with using the network configuration command. So if you proceed with any of the network configuration command, it will automatically give a command such as sudo apt-get and so on. Right. So using that command you can automatically install those features. Even for Java, if you start trying out, you will get a instruction, get a particular command to get installed. Okay, so it is installed. So now we can proceed with. So here we have. So if I want to open a file, so here you can see I'm having all these C files, Java files, likewise it goes on. If I want to open a file, I have to use the gedit mode. So or else in edit mode you can open it. So gedit mode is more user friendly, right? Gedit sliding dot c. So it will not be possible, right? So first you have to transfer this that is, you have to share this environment with the Xming server. So for that I have to enter this command. Please make a note of it. Export display is equal to localhost 0.0. Now if I give this command, then it will, yes, it is open, right? So here you can deal with any of the Java program, C program, you can install NS2 and so on. Thank you.